I'm feeling the kick, lads. You know.
Oh!
Stop touching your face, you goose.
Oh my god, I can't touch my face! Will?
You know, I'm just coping. You know how it be.
Darren's going hard.
Okay guys, so today we're eating super spicy noodles.
Oh, my eyes are already burning.
3 times.
3 times the spice.
3 times the price.
Hey.
Hey, alright,
We can't see ourselves.
that's true.
Sorry about that, gamers. Bit of technical difficulties.
Whoa, Jake,
we're not
chill.
doing that?
Jake,
Okay.
it's not that channel.
Is that later?
Yeah, it's later.
We're playing Smash later.
Ah, I'm gonna smash later, guys.
We do have 3 times spicy Samyang Buldak noodles.
These are the hottest.
Hot chicken flavor ramen. The hottest in the market.
So we'll add all our flakes. Oh, Finn's gone straight for the for the mucky yucky.
Don't call it that. Don't call it that. That just makes it so much. We're gonna mix it up.
You can always tap out anytime.
I'm too white.
Don't worry, mate.
You guys might be whiter than. Oh my god, there's red all over my hand.
It's making my mouth water.
See, Will's got experience.
Yeah, 2 times didn't kill me, so I'm ready.
2
to step
times
it up.
2 times
champion.
noodle champ.
Yeah,
Literally.
Samyang. You know
2 times
Samyang-
world champ.
You know Samyang make lenses as well?
Wow.
Yo, I'm kind of scared though.
I'm shitting my pants now. My eyes, and we haven't. I'll just do this.
So this is what we've got here. You know, all the spice. It's 3 times as nice.
Microphone's over there as well.
It's alright, it still picks up.
I already just put my fingers in my eyes. And we haven't even started yet. I was just
Right.
I just went like this, and I'm like, oh.
Just keep it chill. No one freak out. It's just a bit of spice.
Oh!
Don't touch your face.
I just did. No. Oh no. Okay. I'm all good.
Holy crap.
Woo! Let's go.
So the initial kick is quite nice.
Oh fuck off!
I'm gonna let it sit first before I go fully in because I don't want to.
I'm gonna go for a second.
Yeah, me too.
My gums are burning, dude. Man, Will's a champ.
So you know we're gonna go for a 3rd bite now. Sorry, Finn, I'm
It's okay.
taking up your space. Go for a 4th now.
Yo, people eat this?
People be eating this shit.
No way.
You okay?
No.
My water's Koreans that eat this on the daily. It's probably
Yo, no
way
water
worse.
challenge?
Korean street food is probably way worse. Shut up.
I'm feeling the kick, lads. You know.
Oh!
Stop touching your face, you goose.
Oh my god, I can't touch my face. Will?
You know, I'm just coping. You know how it be.
Darren's going hard.
Are you sweating?
I'm sweating real hard.
So,
No, come back.
No.
You just gotta do it. You just
shout out
gotta
to
do it.
Bolmac. Shout out to us dying. Shout out Bobby Schmoder for
Alright,
getting free.
I'm touching the water now.
What do you mean? As if you haven't already. Am I even in
It's hitting my stomach now.
I'm crying.
Damn, what you said about bro.
Tears rolling down my face.
I'm gonna put my hair in a knot.
Oh shit, I'm touching my
That's
face.
all I've eaten today is a banana.
Banana's a palate cleanser, so
Oh, true.
yeah. You could have like another one.
Jake, you're drooling, mate. Dude, yeah. Why don't we get that on camera? Man, whoever's editing that needs to get a zoom in on Jake drooling.
Note to me later.
Did you even know?
No. I fucking zoned out.
Tastes quite nice though.
It's pretty good.
Fuck off! That's not even.
Oh, my nose is runny.
Darren's just devouring.
I have only had 3 bites.
Oh, come on.
Mate, Darren's a champ.
Wait.
He's on anime
Can I
Bell
drain
School,
it?
man.
Can I drain it? Or will that ruin it?
Probably ruin it.
Banana.
Banana, monkey like banana. Banana won't open. Banana. Come on, banana.
You open them like that.
It's not. It's because it's like. Here we go. There we go.
You open like chimp. Like chimp.
Oh, they got him.
Chimp
Oh,
like
you're-
banana. Banana good for spice.
Coming in here and
No,
showing us up. Showing off Will in his own house.
Well, you know. I
Guys.
haven't bitched out yet.
Guys, I don't know.
Right, so
Banana.
banana.
Banana. Banana feel good.
We c-
Well, that
Big
has to
hyphen.
come.
If you just absolutely spewed everywhere, that would have been the best.
Mate,
Here you dogs.
Mate, he's got bread.
Man.
Oh, you're gonna show the camera like what you made?
Yeah, show us.
Piece de la resistance.
What do you call it, mate?
The squish spish.
The Sam Yang sandwich.
Oh.
alright.
Yeah.
Righto. What makes it deluxe?
Damn, alright.
Deluxe because it's the hottest.
Right. All right.
That's hot.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
I'm just an icon. Really.
We're waiting, Jake.
Oh my god.
Holy crap.
You absolute mongrel.
This guy's
go
a
in.
feral dog. I'm just an icon living. It's okay, Darren's on it right now.
Ah, fair.
I'm just like
Holy crap.
taking a minute to think about
He's
mom
going
and
in.
my dad. Dude, he's going in right now. You're gonna shit your pants.
fuck, Jake?
This guy's gonna be on the way home and just shit himself.
Well, he's gonna be on the bus or like
No,
driving home.
he's driving
And
home.
he's gonna.
He's gonna need
Bro,
another
stop.
pair
You
of
need to let
underwear.
it hit you.
You're gonna shat your second pair of undies today.
Oh, my stomach does not like me right now.
You gonna get a stomach pump?
No. I won't need a stomach pump.
Monkey don't need no stomach
It's gonna need a stomach evacuation.
This.
Oh.
Oh, mine's actually just sauce now.
Mate, the sauce is the worst part.
It's the best part. What do you mean?
No, as in spice-wise, it's the worst part.
I'll show
finish
you
that.
spice wise.